All right, welcome to Anglesey Family Chiropractic. I'm in my Coeur d'Alene branch again, and we're going to do another video. This time it is on deep tissue laser therapy. This is one of the therapies we use in my offices. This is my beautiful wife, Carrie, and today we're going to demonstrate the treatment on part of the neck into the traps. For most people, they have some pain, some tension, and sometimes some knots right here. And it can get a little bit inflamed in that area too when there's a lot of stress or there's a lot of strain with either working out, sports, throwing a ball, you name it. So we're going to treat that. That's just kind of a pamphlet we have. Over here is a little poster for you. It's all about pain relief. It's about decreasing inflammation, increasing blood flow, and increasing the energy production in the cells in the area that we're treating. So we have fancy little glasses that we have to wear when we're treating, and here's the little machine that we got right here. So we'll be using that today. All right, back on over here. I'm gonna put this back. Okay, so my patient will wear her glasses. Safety first. Okay. All right. Oh, and as you can see, it's drug-free. And as one of my little patients said one time, it is sugar-free. No, it is surgery-free. So no cutting. This laser is way more powerful than the traditional cold laser that a lot of people are more familiar with. So you'll feel the warmth, but people always ask me before they get it done, is it going to hurt? No, it does not hurt. I will be moving it enough to where it will just warm the tissues, so it'll be nice and warming. It's great in the winter. So we are going to get this going here. Okay. And my camera lady back there, try not to look into the laser. I should put glasses on you, but we're far enough away. It shouldn't be a problem. Okay. So just relax. So we're just going to run this for a couple minutes just so you know what it looks like. The red laser that you can see is just on there for guidance light, just to show me where that laser is actually being guided. And then the actual laser that's doing the work is invisible to our eyes, so cannot see it. It's a pretty cool. If you go and look up on our website, you'll be able to see, sorry, this thing keeps getting caught. You'll be able to see a video which explains it in detail of what's really going on inside the tissues. And there's actually a lot going on with the laser and the interaction with the cells and the body. But it's a process called photobiomodulation. And like I said before, what that does, it's going to increase microcirculation in the blood, of the blood vessels, and it's going to also interact with the mitochondria of the cell. And as you learned maybe a long time ago or just recently in biology, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, and it produces ATP, which is energy, and your body uses that energy to do all sorts of work inside the cell, inside the body. So that work can be magnified. It can be done a lot faster, and a lot more things can be done. So proteins that need to be brought to the area can be more easily brought to that area with more blood and that energy. And then materials that are maybe bad or injured, they can be taken out. So you have this healing process that starts, and it's pretty cool. I've had so many patients that just love this machine and love the results they get. We treat all kinds of itises, bursitis, lots of hip bursitis, shoulder bursitis. We'll treat, and the patients will usually feel the difference within that first or second visit. Also, tendinitis. Tendinitis is a big deal for a lot of people, especially athletes. I had really bad tendinitis in my elbow when I was working out really hard a year ago, and when I first was looking into this laser, I had the guy come in and test it on my elbow first, and he had to prove it to me so that I could buy this product and actually use it on my patients. And he used it a couple times, and for about a year I had been trying to get rid of it myself with chiropractic, with icing and heating and all kinds of different tissue work, but could not get it to go away. And I was so surprised when it actually started going away just within those 2 visits, and I was sold. That was it. And so I've had lots of different patients that have those same experiences, and it's wonderful. So brings a new element into our practice. The ability to actually work on these injured areas and help them heal faster is awesome. So if you've had those kind of problems, or even just a recent surgery, injury, so it can be acute or it can be chronic, doesn't matter. This is going to speed up the process of healing, and so that is the bottom line. So if you have questions about this, do not hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. Visit our webpage, and you can check out that video too. But that is it for that treatment. It's nice and simple. Sometimes it's six minutes. It just depends on the area, the size, how much of the energy we want to get in there. Something's hit you with that cord there. How much energy and time we want to spend on one area. And it's all calculated out in this cool little machine for me and some books. But we figure it out for you and we make it happen. So that's it. Have a wonderful day.